And there's a lot of like really healthy recipes in here, so I'm excited to try them out. Hey guys, my name is Dahlia. I'm a PA here. That stands for production assistant. I'm on set most of the time helping out, grabbing all of our models, getting everything prepped and ready to go. I'm usually shopping for like cooking wear and cookbooks. I have a really cute dog at home, so I like to buy her things at Zulily. I don't usually shop for like apparel, but today I kind of went outside of the box. So when I was on the site, I was thinking ahead. I wanted to get a raincoat for the spring. So I was saying that I really like to cook, and my favorite store is Trader Joe's. So when I saw that there was a Trader Joe's cookbook, I had to get it. It's really cute. Well, they have like the spices and stuff that you get from Trader Joe's. Here's one that stands out: roasted broccoli with everyday seasoning. That sounds really good. I like healthy cooking, and there's a lot of like really healthy recipes in here, so I'm excited to try them out. Oh yes, okay, so I always have a notebook. Actually, I always have like 3 or more notebooks at my house because I literally write everything down. Before I go to the grocery store, I write down everything I'm going to buy. I knew that I really needed new notebooks, so I typed it in and a bunch of notebooks came up. I like how big these are too, but they're still small enough that you can fit them like in a purse or something. And I like how they all have the same theme. Yeah, if you want a notebook, like make sure it looks nice and then you take better care of it. Okay, this is what I'm most excited about because I always put off buying a raincoat. So I decided to think ahead and buy one in December. And now I have a raincoat for when spring comes. It's really cute. And it's kind of weird. I did not do this on purpose, but the raincoat and the notebook kind of go together. They kind of match. Yeah, by Jules. And their stuff is really good quality. Like, this feels really nice and soft. Let's try it on. I just want to wear this now. It's cute. I like it. So I would say my favorite item that I got today was my raincoat, because it's literally been like 4 years that I've been telling myself that I need a raincoat, and I finally got one, and I'm glad I waited because I got a really cute one. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. Like and subscribe down below. And let me know in the comments what cute outfits that you want to buy at Zulily, because they really have some cute ones. And maybe you can get some matching notebooks. Bye guys!